I would consider h6 an inaccuracy if not a mistake. Bishop b4 is the McCutcheon. D takes e4 is the burn variation. I'll have separate videos on these. As you'll see at the master level, the most common by far is the burn variation, but at the club level, the majority of players are playing bishop e7. After all, they're worried about losing their knight. The move here is e5, kicking their knight back. And if you remember from the last video, a goal of ours in the French is to trade off our dark bishop for their dark bishop. So it makes sense that the main line here is capturing, but you may also remember that our goal in the French is to attack on the king side as quickly as possible. And if we look at our opponent's setup, it's about as passive as it can get. So I think that takes priority, and I think the best move here is h4, the Alekhine Shattered Attack. Staying true to the name of my channel, this opening is also a Gambit system. After all, if they capture and we recapture, they can take back with their queen on g5. The first thing I'd like to point out here is that most people actually don't accept the Gambit, only 34% of players. At the master level, that's only 27%, and we'll find out why in a minute. But first, I'd like to quickly go through what happens if they decline. First of all, h6. We're going to capture. We've achieved our goal of trading off the dark bishop. And the only difference between the position before when we were going to trade, and we played h4 instead, and now, is we have a pawn on h4. Our opponent has a pawn on h6, which can serve as a lever later. I would consider this a better version of the same position. We're going to play f4, opening up the square for our knight, and we're going to attack on the king side.